Thinking about the text activity, calculate how many years and months ahead from now Margie's diary entry is. Margie's diary entry is dated 17 May 2157. Step 1. Find the difference in years. The current year is 2025. The year in Margie's diary is 2157. 2157, 2025, 132 years ahead. Step 2. Find the difference in months. Today's month is March. Margie's diary entry is in May. From March to May, there are 2 months. Final answer. Margie's diary entry is 132 years and 2 months ahead from now, March 2025. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Question 1. How old are Margie and Tommy? Answer. Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. Question 2. What did Margie write in her diary? Answer. Margie wrote in her diary on 17th of May 2157, mentioning that Tommy found a real book that day. Question 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer. No, Margie had never seen a real book before. Question 4. What things about the book did she find strange? Answer. Margie found it strange that the words on the pages didn't move like they did on a screen, and that the same words remained when the pages were turned back. Question 5. What do you think a telebook is? Answer. A telebook is a digital book that appears on a screen, unlike printed books. Question 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer. Margie's school was in her home, right next to her bedroom. She did not have any classmates. Question 7. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer. Margie and Tommy learned subjects like geography, arithmetic, and history. 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. 1. I wouldn't throw it away. A. Who says these words? Answer. Tommy says these words. B. What does it refer to? Answer. It refers to the television screen that stores digital books. C. What is it being compared with by the speaker? Answer. It is being compared to printed books, which become useless after reading. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? Answer. They refers to students from the olden days. And what does regular mean here? Answer. Regular means a mechanical teacher or robot teacher, which was normal for Margie. What is it contrasted with? Answer. It is contrasted with a human teacher from the past. 3. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. Question 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers, which were large, black, and had screens to display lessons. The teachers gave tests and adjusted the difficulty based on the student's level. Question 2. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Answer. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because Margie was scoring poorly in geography and her teacher was giving her tests that were too difficult. Question 3. What did he do? Answer. The county inspector adjusted the geography sector of Margie's mechanical teacher to slow down its speed so that it was suitable for her learning level. Question 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer. Margie's geography sector was set too fast, making it difficult for her to keep up. The county inspector slowed it down to the average 10-year level, helping her improve. Question 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer. Tommy's mechanical teacher broke down because the history sector had blanked out completely. It was taken away for a month for repairs. Question 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer. Yes, Margie had fixed school hours every day except on weekends. Her mother believed that learning at regular hours was important for discipline. Question 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer. Tommy says that in old schools, kids went to a special building, studied together in classrooms, and had human teachers who taught all subjects. Question 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer. Tommy explains that the old teachers were humans, unlike their mechanical teachers. These teachers spoke, gave homework, and asked questions in a more personal way. Answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, 100-150 words. Question 1. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolrooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Answer. In the story, Margie and Tommy's schoolrooms are completely different from traditional schools. Instead of going to a classroom with other children, Margie studies alone in a small room next to her bedroom. Her mechanical teacher is a large, black and ugly machine with a big screen that displays lessons and asks questions. The teacher also has a slot where Margie has to insert her homework and test papers, which are checked instantly. The mechanical teacher is programmed to teach subjects like geography, arithmetic, and history. It can be adjusted according to each child's level, but sometimes it malfunctions, as in Margie's case, when the geography sector was too fast. Unlike human teachers, the robot teacher lacks emotions and personal interactions. Margie finds this system boring and feels isolated because she does not have classmates to learn and play with. Question 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Answer. Margie hated school because it was lonely and mechanical. Her teacher was a robot that always assigned homework and tests without any human interaction. She particularly disliked the slot where she had to submit her work in punch code, which made learning feel robotic. The geography tests were too hard for her, making her performance worse. Unlike traditional schools, Margie studied alone without any classmates, which made learning dull and repetitive. When she read about old schools in the real book that Tommy found, she realized that children in the past studied together in Anna's, a classroom, played in the schoolyard, and could help each other with their studies. The idea of sitting with other kids and having a human teacher sounded exciting to her. She imagined how much fun it must have been to laugh, talk, and learn together. This made her wish she could experience school the way children did in the past. Question 3. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. Yes, I agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story. In today's schools, children study together in a classroom with human teachers, making learning more interactive and enjoyable. Unlike Margie, who studies alone with a mechanical teacher, students today can ask questions, discuss topics, and share ideas with their friends and teachers. This makes learning more engaging and less monotonous. Another reason why modern schools are better is that they provide extracurricular activities such as sports, music, and art, which help students develop their talents and social skills. In contrast, Margie's school is strictly academic, with no interaction or fun activities. Also, Margie's mechanical teacher lacks emotions, whereas human teachers can understand students' feelings and encourage them when they struggle. Overall, today's schools offer a balanced learning environment that includes education, socialization, and fun, making them much better than the isolated and robotic schools in Margie's world.